You having any flexing issues on the windshield yet?
Yeah, it's breaking. It's breaking everything.
Yeah.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHighCarAudio, and others.
Just kind of part of it.
Nice. And it doesn't move. It looks good. I like it.
Yeah.
Nice job. Did you build this?
Yeah,
It looks good, damn. Uh-oh. That's what's in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Got 8 of them total, but just the 2 here.
All right. Hey, man. I'll get it in a minute. I'll get his.
Yeah, that's like I got 45. I got
Nice. So could you tell me your name and what's in here real quick?
my name's Dakota. I got 2 N318s on 2 Tesla 4Ks. Wired at 1 ohm each.
Okay. Very nice. That's a pretty big box.
Yeah, they need about 10 cubes each. So
Each? Wow.
yeah, they're way too airspace hungry.
What's the tuning on that box?
32, I believe.
Okay. Have you done any burp SPL test on it at all? You haven't?
Last time he did one, it was like a 56.8.
Okay. What's your electrical like? Battery alt?
I got 4 Decas and a 370 Mega Man.
Okay. Very nice. I like it, man.
Not bad.
So you said you got the box, you didn't build it?
No, I got it off of one of our buddies. It was made for a Blazer. He had
Okay.
CV5s in it.
Yeah. You got a big back space to fit it, so you did good, and you got your back seats.
Yeah.
So is this a Suburban or?
Yeah, Suburban.
Okay.
Gonna do a B pillar in it with 8 of the N3s and a 6 of it.
Oh, so a wall right here? Really? Okay. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it. Thanks for the info.
Yep.
You having any flexing issues on the windshield yet?
Yeah, it's breaking. It's breaking everything.
Yeah.
It's just kind of part of it.
FS is like 70 on it.
It's 70, really?
Yeah.
Wow. We're not made for those at all.
And it's a really big space. You have so much cabin space. And when I can't imagine how loud and big, because you're doing, you said 6 or 8 of those? 8 of them, wow. It's going to be a big build. Are you going to be building that yourself?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Yes, sir.
I'm pulling up. Ain't nobody fucking with my click. Click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresher than my motherfucking
Yeah, man. Sure, let's try it.
How's it a little bit?
Okay, you control the windows. Go ahead.
They're SPL subs anyway. They really don't like lows.
Yeah.
But I'm just trying to kill these anyway.
Watch me reverse all the dicks. He got a bad bitch. We live in lavish. I get expensive fabrics. I got expensive habits.
appreciate it. Nice work, man. I like it. It definitely does well on the higher note. Yeah,
Yeah,
it does. Yeah.
FS is like 70 on it.
It is
so.
70, really?
Yeah,
Wow.
we're not made for those at all.
All right. It plays them, but not as loud. So. Thank you very much. What was your name?
Dakota.
Dakota. Good job, man. I appreciate the demo, and I'm sure I'll catch you next year or so with the next build, sir.
Good meeting you.
You too. Yeah, man. Nice to meet you, man. Appreciate the demo.
Yep.